So I think there's no world where it gets to be a multi-trillion-dollar asset and only individuals own it and not other pools of capital. I think that basically once you get this big and liquid, it's inevitable that either corporate entities or pension funds or even some sovereigns are going to want to own it. Basically anything that you're responsible for managing, if you become bullish on Bitcoin, it makes sense for you to add it to your thing. So that starts at yourself and your family, and then it trickles into professional life for those managing other types of assets. I think it's totally inevitable that if it's going to be successful, it's going to be at all these different types of balance sheets. As far as concentration risk, I don't really view that as a problem because it's a proof of work network, not a proof of stake network. And the concentration is thus far pretty manageable. So MicroStrategy has 3% of coins, roughly speaking. Potentially the more bigger concern is that a lot of entities use Coinbase as custody. So I think they have something like 10% of coins, which is not fantastic, but I think not the end of the world. People have to remember that even back in say 2011, like with Mt. Gox, at one point they had a double-digit share of the network. So there's always been these little pockets of concentration that spin up and then either get diffused or break in some capacity. So I think that the network is sufficiently spread out. That's not really a long-term concern I have. And I generally view it as inevitable.